This is my 4-year-old GE dishwasher, and it recently developed a problem where the lower spinner arm was not going around and spraying water. You can see it's a little dirty inside from rust and lime buildup. And I did the usual first steps. I removed the lower control arm, checked it to make sure it didn't have any clogs or blockages in it. I removed the sump filter right in front of it, made sure that was clean and open. And then I removed the silver filter screen below that to make sure there wasn't anything clogging that area of the machine. It all came back good. I did a little research online and I found out usually when one arm works and the other doesn't, it's your diverter valve. Well, the GE one doesn't have a standard electrically powered diverter valve. It has a pressure sensitive two-stage float ball system. Since it was very hard for me to find good information about how this works, I decided to do a video and show you guys how this works and how you can probably fix it yourself. If you look down through the tube there, you can see the float ball kind of stuck right there below that spray valve. Here's what the diverter valve looks like when you pull it out. And usually you only have to change them when they start leaking. And I did not end up changing this one. But you see the little float ball, and there's a double elbow system here. And that orange float ball moves back and forth between the two openings in that little curved area underneath, depending on how much pressure the pump applies into the system. And here's the part number for that diverter valve if you ever need one. So I took a little tool and I put it in there, a screwdriver, and wiggled it back and forth a little, started it back up, and lo and behold, the lower spray arm started working again. So I decided, since I have hard water with mineral scale in it, and the lower diverter valve wasn't leaking, there was nothing wrong with it, it was probably just dirty. So what I did is I reassembled it, put the arm back in, and I went and got a can of dishwasher cleaner. And the other thing I did was I turned the temperature boost on, which I've never done before. The temperature boost on it, just doesn't seem like it's necessary most of the time, but I went ahead and did it, and let's see how that worked out, okay? Because it worked out pretty well. Here's the before picture, and here's the after picture after we ran the cycle with the cleaning solution. And look how bright and shiny that filter screen is, and all the plastic parts are nice and clean. The tub of the dishwasher is very clean inside now compared to what it was. It almost looks like a brand new machine inside. It's turned out so nice and clean. You can even see the fittings on the heating element in the back are real shiny. So I'm very happy with this dishwasher cleaner. And since running the cleaner through, I've had no issues with the sprayers not working. It works great, and I'm going to give this dishwasher cleaner a big thumbs up. It's called Glisten brand dishwasher cleaner, and it comes in a plastic bottle with a wax plug in it. You open the lid and put it in the dishwasher upside down so that the spout's facing downward, and as the hot water sprays up into it, it releases the cleaning chemical, and it pumps out through your dishwasher and spreads around and power sprays and makes it nice and shiny clean. And I'm going to put a link to this wonderful cleaning product in the description to the video so you can give it a try too. Make sure you kick your water temperature up on the highest possible before you run the clean cycle. That way you'll be sure to get the best results from this process. And just for reference, here's how you return the spray arm back onto the fitting. Wiggle it till it drops into place gently, and then grab the bottom locking arm, twist it clockwise, and that will lock the arm back in place. Here's one more look at the Glisten dishwasher cleaning solution. Cleans, disinfects, removes scale and lime. That seems like a pretty good product. I haven't used it ever, but I don't think I'm going to use it monthly, but I'll probably use it at least twice a year. And it seems like it worked really well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.